This is how to export a singular image in toonboom Harmony Premium using the write node. In Harmony Premium, the write node is the node that we use to export things via. Find it in your node view, mine is here, and you can see everything is plugged into it. So that's our write node. Click the layer properties button. By default, you can see it's set to TGA and just the color. Generally, most people want a PNG, so let's set our image format to PNG. Then let's set our colors to color plus alpha. So when we render our write node, it will use these settings. You can see also in this node, it allows us to set the exact folder that we export to. For sake of this tutorial, I'll leave it as default. So you can see the export location is to the project folder in the frames folder. In older versions of Harmony, note that the colors option didn't exist. You had to set it to PNG 4. So now we need to render our write nodes. We can either go menu bar, file, export, render write nodes, or we can do Command Shift Y. We can set which frame to export here, or we can export everything. So I just want frame 62, which is the frame that we're on. So 62 to 62, and then press OK. Let it do its thing. Go to our project folder. You can see it says frames right here. So that's our frames folder. And you can see right here, our image has a transparent background. That is how to export an image with a transparent background.